Hi, Steve here again. Now, I've had a project, a half-built car in my garage for over 20 years. I bought the car as a Spitfire 1500. I bought it after I came out of university, about 1994, I think. I did drive it for many years. We went to Holland in it. I've been to loads of different events up in the Lake District with the Transport 6 Club. I loved it. But after finding some rust that I dug into, and it eventually led to me taking the body off the chassis. You know how it is, and then life got in the way, kids, everything, careers, change, jobs, whatever, and it sat in the garage in pieces for 20 years. I've worked on other people's cars, I've done other cars of my own, and that hasn't changed, it hasn't moved, and it's upset me to think this car is sat there not doing anything. And one of the reasons, other than life getting in the way, one of the other reasons why it has not progressed is because I want it to be a little bit special. I want to build it back as a sort of fast road. I want it to look standard from outside pretty much, maybe lowered a little bit, but I want it to be quicker underneath. I want it to be a little bit special underneath. Okay, some light panels, more power from the engine, better suspension and brakes, so that I can use it maybe in some hill climbing, or certainly on some long tours around the country. I also want to do, and I've told my friends that I am doing the North Coast 500 with them in next summer. So it's June, end of June now, 2021. In 2022, in June, we are doing the North Coast 500 in Scotland, and I want to take this car. And I want it to be special. I want it to be ready. So I've got a bit of a race on my hands. I mean, because of all the projects that I've got going, I will be outsourcing quite a bit of the services on this. But if you want to follow along, I'm going to be building a fast road Triumph Spitfire 1500 from scratch. It's body off the chassis at the moment. I will show you every stage as I go through it. I say I am going to be outsourcing, so I'm not going to be going into how I fix up the engine, although I will tell you exactly what I have done to it. And the body is pretty solid too, so I don't need to do hardly any welding. So if you want instructions on welding and things, then you'll need to look at some other videos. But this will be almost like a Meccano set of putting together all the new parts and the old parts that should be in reasonably good condition. They'll need painting, etc. And I'll have to get lots of outsourced parts as well. But I've not done it before. I've not built this bit from scratch before. I know them pretty well, obviously, but this will be a new experience. So I'm really looking forward to it, but I'm really looking forward to getting this car done because I want to use it. So yeah, this is just a quick intro to this project, and I'll see you as we progress. And I've got something to let you know about some progress. So I'll see you later.